All right, here's a real simple way to kind of up your coffee game for Christmas morning. We're going to make a pumpkin spiced coffee, and you can do it right in any drip coffee maker. Start by adding a quarter cup of ground coffee, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Shake that around, and then put that in your drip coffee maker. Again, doesn't matter the brand, doesn't have to be anything special. All right, got the filter in, and then you want to add 4 cups of water and let the coffee maker do its thing. And then once the coffee maker is done, only one thing to do. Pour it in a cup. You can add a little half and half to this if you like, or a little sugar. Me, I just take mine black. And it does actually provide a nice little hint of cinnamon and shit. So, yeah, that's pumpkin spice coffee. Done.